Looking for holiday card message ideas? Whether you're sending a lighthearted greeting to friends or professional wishes to colleagues, start spreading festive cheer with these holiday and Christmas card greeting ideas from Paperless Post. If you're sending your annual card out to family and friends, add a sweet sentiment wishing them a wonderful season with a holiday card message like, "Have a holly jolly Christmas and a happy New Year." Wishing you peace and love this holiday season and all year long. Season's greetings from our family to yours. Perhaps you're looking to lift spirits with a more religious Christmas card greeting. Wish recipients a merry season of peace, joy, and goodwill with Christmas card messages such as, "Joy to the world, the Lord has come." God bless you and your loved ones this Christmas. Blessings and prayers for a beautiful holiday season. Send a professional holiday card to clients, customers, or colleagues to share thoughtful winter wishes while letting them know how much you appreciate everything they do for your company. Include your brand's logo and add a message like, "Happy Holidays! Thank you for trusting us with your business year after year. You've helped make this year the merriest one of all. Happy Holidays!" Warmest wishes to the hardest working team around. Who says you can't add a little humor to your Christmas card? Make spirits truly bright with one of these funny holiday card messages for all the jokers and wordplay lovers in your life. On Christmas, all I need is your presence. Sorry, I meant presents. Have your elf a merry little Christmas. You light up my life. Not you. I was talking to my Christmas tree. If you want to keep things simple this year, send one of these short and sweet holiday card messages that say it all. Season's greetings. Merry everything. Warmest wishes. Once you've picked the perfect message, here's what else to include in your holiday card. Sign your name or include your family's name if you're sending the holiday card from everyone. Add a sweet photo or include a photo gallery block to share even more merry memories. Include the current year so everyone can look back fondly on your card for many Christmases to come. Visit paperlesspost.com now to browse our designs and find the perfect customizable Christmas card to deliver cheer to family, friends, colleagues, and more this holiday season.